Hello students, I am Likun. Welcome to my class. Welcome to all chemistry lover interested students. Students, today we are going to discuss about very important 5 terms. These are isotopes, isobars, isotones, isoters, isoelectronic species. Which are the important terms, important concept of 11th class chemistry chapter atomic structure. So are you ready? Let's start. Students, before know about these 5 terms, remember these 5: atomic number, mass number or atomic mass, electron, proton, neutron. What is the value of an atom? What is the 5 value of an atom? Suppose students, an atom neon, atomic number 10 means 10 electron present and 10 proton present. This is electrically neutral atom because the number of electron is 10, number of proton is 10. So this is the electron proton value of an atom. And atomic number equal to 10 of this atom, neon atom, atomic number equal to 10. So atomic number, electron, proton we know now. Okay, then mass number or atomic mass number. Suppose students, this is an even element. So even element atomic mass formula is atomic number into 2, and for odd element mass number or atomic mass number formula is atomic number into 2 plus 1. This is the mass number formula represented by A, capital A. Atomic number represented by A. This is electron, proton, neutron. Neutron represented by N. So what is students neutron value? What is neutron value? And another formula to calculate mass number is mass number represented by A equal to neutron plus proton. This is proton and neutron. What is neutron value? How to calculate neutron value? Student, neutron value calculate formula is N equal to A minus Z. A equal to mass number, Z equal to atomic number. So students, what is the neutron value of neon atom? Atomic number Z equal to 10. Atomic mass number equal to 20 because even element 2 into atomic number 20. So what is the neutron value? Neutron value equal to A minus Z. So 20 minus 10 equal to 10. Neutron value 10 of neon atom. So this is how we can calculate the atomic number, mass number, electron, proton and neutron value of each and every atom. Our first term, students, isotopes. What is isotope? We understand with example. Hydrogen, atomic number 1. Hydrogen, atomic number 1. Hydrogen, atomic number 1. What students, mass number in first hydrogen 1, then 2, then 3. So students, definition of isotopes is atoms of same element. In these students, element same, atom same, not different, having different mass number different, but same atomic number same. Element same, we take many element, we take one elements of many value, which atomic number same and mass number different. This is isotopes. And students, atoms of same number of proton. This is atomic number equal to electrons value, atomic number equal to proton value. So proton value same but different in neutron value. Students, neutron value equal to mass number minus atomic number. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0 neutron. 2 minus 1 equal to 1 neutron. 3 minus 1 equal to 2 neutron. Okay, neutron value different, but atomic number value or proton value same. This is isotopes. So students, this hydrogen's name protium and this hydrogen's name deuterium and this hydrogen's name tritium, and these are all about isotopes, atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Then students comes to isobars. What is isobars? Students, in isotopes we take same element, but in isobars we take different element. Okay, so for example, we take sodium, magnesium and sodium. Okay, different atoms, different element. So atomic number 11 suppose, then 12, then 13, but mass number same, 24. Understand students carefully. Atoms of different element different element having same number of mass number same, but different atomic number different. So this is isobars. Atoms of different element having same mass number but different atomic number. This is students isobars. Another example, carbon, nitrogen, 6 14 7 14. Students, then third our isotones. Students, in isotopes we discussed about same element of same atomic number but different mass number. Then in isobars, atom of different elements, not same element. In isobars, atom of different element having same mass number or same atomic mass number but same but different atomic number. But in isotones, different element different, not same, but same number of neutron. Students, this is an element carbon, atomic number 6, mass number 13. Another atom nitrogen, atomic number 7, mass number 14. Two different atoms. So the neutron value, Newton calculates formula A minus J. So 13 minus 6 equal to 7 neutron. In this 14 minus 7 equal to 7 neutron. Okay, same number of neutron. Another example students, two different atoms, nitrogen, magnesium, 11 23 12 24. So students, our isotones value, neutron same, 23 minus 11 equal to 12 neutron and 24 minus 12 equal to 12 neutron. Neutron value same. Another again refresh. Isotones are atoms of different element having same number of neutrons, neutron value same, and these are all about isotones. Then students, in the 4 isotopes is something different among 4 isotopes, isobars, isotones and isotopes. Among these 4 isotopes is something different. So what is the statement? The molecules having same number of atom in a molecule, atom same but same number of molecular structure also same number of molecular structure. First example student, BCl3 and BF3 In BCl3 4 atoms. In BF3 also 4 atoms. This is 2 molecules. So the molecular structure also same. Molecular structure also same. So molecular structure B Cl3 Cl Cl. And student BF3 B central metal atom. F3 F F F. Take another example, students. NH3 or PH3. 4 atom in this is molecule. So NH3 PH3. Okay, so this is the formula, this is the example. And another example, students, H2O or H2S. O central metal atom, 2 hydrogen, 3 atoms in this molecule. Water molecule contain 3 atoms. H2S molecule also contain 3 atoms. So this is the molecular formula. And molecular formula of H2S also same with H2O. S central metal atom, HH. Okay, so students, these are all about isotopes. Students, at last, isoelectronic species definition: atoms having same number of electron. Suppose our require is 10 electron. Okay, suppose we require 10 electron. You and me, both of you and me require 10 electrons. Suppose. Okay, so students, O2 minus. Students, minus means accept. Oxygen atomic number 8 means oxygen pass. In oxygen 8 electron is present. Because of minus, O2 minus, oxygen accepts 2 electron from another atom. So 8 plus 2 equal to 10 electron. So our require is 10 electron. So isoelectronic space is satisfied. Another example, F minus. Students, fluorine atomic number 9, 1 electron accept. Minus means 1 electron. Okay, so 9 plus 1, 10 electron. Then students, nitrogen 3 minus. Nitrogen atomic number 7, nitrogen accept. 3 minus means 3 electron. 7 and accept 3 means 7, 10 electron. And students, C4 minus. Carbon atomic number 6, carbon accept 4 minus means 4 electron from another atom. So now atom contain 10 electron, but before atom contain 6 electron. Okay, students, this is accept of electron, minus charge, minus ion, accept of electron. And plus means donate. Then students, Na plus, sodium atom has 11 electron, atomic number 11. Okay, sodium atom contain 11 electron. Plus means donate. Sodium atom donate 1 electron to another atom. So now sodium contain 10 electron in sodium pass. Then students, Mg2 plus. Magnesium atomic number 12, but plus means donate, minus means accept. So magnesium donate 2 electron to another atom. So magnesium pass 12 electron present. So because 2 electron donates to another atom, so 12 minus 2 equal to 10 electron. This is accept, this is donate. Plus minus, this is the difference between minus and plus in chemistry. Okay, so this is isoelectronic species. Are you fine? Are you what? Are you satisfied? This is The important concept, this is an important concept of atomic structure, isotopes, isobars, isotones, isoelectronic species. About this 5 term in all entrance exam, according to your language, NEET, IIT, JEE Mains, board exam, all questions, one question definitely comes in our exam. So this is the important topic of atomic structure. About this class, comment me what type of this class. Meet again with another concept. Thank you, tata, bye bye, goodbye, not bye, come. Okay, thank you.